How to create a free affiliate marketing website. If you want to learn how to create a free affiliate marketing website like this with no money, so keep watching this video without skipping any part of this video. I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up an affiliate marketing website without spending money on a hosting and domain name. Let's get started. Step number 1, build an affiliate marketing website for free. Step number 2 is finding our affiliate marketing offer. Step number 3 is to set up an affiliate marketing website. So let's go to step number 1 is to build a website. Now you can go to sites.google.com. This is where you can start building a website. Now Google Sites is free and anyone can build a website with this platform. Step number 2 is to go to clickbank.com. You can use any affiliate marketing program. Simply go to Marketplace, just find the product that you want to start promoting. For example, if I want to go into the pets niche, simply search or click on the pets niche tab. The next step is to select the filter and sort by gravity. I will select this one, brain training for dogs. This is the sales page of brain training for dogs. Simply build a website and redirect traffic to the sales page and make money easily. So let's go build the affiliate marketing website. Welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. So guys, I play music and start building a website. Let's go. Guys, this is the affiliate marketing website we build in only a few minutes. You can build websites using this amazing site. If you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.